Alright, so if you want to play mobile games on your computer, yeah, BlueStacks is one of the easiest ways to do it. You basically turn your PC into a gaming phone, but way smoother. First, make sure BlueStacks is installed and running on your PC. Now sign in with your Google account so you can access the Play Store. Next, open the Play Store and search for any mobile game you want to play. Click Install, and the game will download directly into BlueStacks. Once installed, click the game icon to launch it instantly. Now you can use keyboard and mouse controls, or customize them for better gameplay. If the game is lagging, go into Settings and adjust performance by increasing RAM and CPU usage. Now you can enjoy mobile games on a bigger screen with smoother controls and better graphics. And yeah, that's how you play mobile games on PC using BlueStacks. Simple setup and way better gaming experience.